Can you believe you can recreate the world's most famous painting using only Microsoft Paint? First, using the curved line tool, lightly sketch the basic shapes: an oval for the face, sloping lines for the shoulders, and gentle curves for the hands. Don't worry about perfection. This is just the underdrawing. Now, grab the pencil tool and start refining those lines. Pay attention to the subtle curves of her smile and the delicate features of her face. Remember, it's all about capturing her expression. Next, let's add some color. Use the fill tool to apply a base coat of color to different sections of your drawing, focusing on soft, natural tones that represent the color of her skin, hair, and the background. Now, here's where the magic happens. With the airbrush tool, gently add shadows to her face, neck, and clothing. This will give your drawing depth and dimension, making it look more realistic. Focus on the sides of the face and under the chin for the best effect. Zoom in and add sparkle to those eyes. Use the pencil tool to carefully place tiny dots of lighter shades to give them life and capture her enigmatic gaze. And there you have it, your very own Mona Lisa, created entirely in Microsoft Paint. It may not be perfect, but it's a testament to what you can achieve with a little creativity and these simple tools. Share your masterpiece with the hashtag Microsoft Paint and let us see your creation.